Hi, good day. This is Asa from Trinkets, and thank you very much for joining me. For today's episode, we are going to be making these miniature, cute little keychains, smaller than your hand, and you can hang it on your bags, on your purses, on your keys, anything that you wish. It's really quick and it's really easy. So stay with me and let's get started. Firstly, we're going to print our image. It's best to print it on cardstock or photo paper or glossy photo paper. And these are our printed images. Here we have an angel, a fairy, cherry blossoms, mushrooms, roses, moon and star, and a repeat of the same images. And now we're going to cut around our images. And this area to the center is our spine. And now we're going to take a piece of foam and place our book cover onto the foam, measure it out, draw it out, and just cut it like maybe 1 mm smaller than our book cover because we want it to fit inside. And just measure it along your book cover and it should fit just like this. And now we're going to cut a tad piece of this thread just so that we can make a tiny loop. You can use any type of thread. I'm just using gold thread. It's sort of elastic in feel. So we're just going to loop it and stick it in the center. Stick it down and do the rest for all. And then now we're going to stick our book cover to our foam. So just apply glue. Apply glue right around. Ensure you get the corners. Swish, 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 glue, 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 glue. Apply it all around. And stick it neatly on our foam. Press it down and do the same for all the rest. And now that we have circles, or we have our thread in each of our book, we're going to close the book in half, just like a book, so we can make it 3D, and stick down the foam. I'm using Fabri-Tac or fabric glue. Press it down firmly, ensure it's firmly stuck, and it looks just like a book, all the edges. Hold it for a few seconds and do the same for all the rest. And now we're going to apply some gold paint around the edge of our book, just to make it look 3D complete and luxurious. And I'm just using regular gold acrylic paint. And apply it to the edge of the book. 2 coats should work fine. Cover the red. Of course, you can use any color foam. This is the foam that I had available, so this is the color that I used. And if it's dry, and now that our paint has dried, we're just going to apply our hooks for our keychain. And these are the swivel hooks, and these are our keychain hooks. And this is our final keychain. Looks really cute and really pretty. Can hang on key rings, keychains, bag, purse, anything that you wish.